She moved on, he took your place, and you're left sitting there, staring at your phone, wondering if any of it ever meant anything. You gave your best. You were loyal. You stayed when it was hard, but in the end, you were forgotten. The truth is, nothing prepares a man for the moment he realizes he's been replaced. It feels like a death, but Stoicism teaches us that it's not the end, it's the rebirth of the man you were always meant to be. If you've ever felt this script is for you. Part 1. The emotional impact of being replaced. Being replaced isn't just painful. It's disorienting. One day you're everything, the next day you're nothing. You see her laughing with someone else. He posts the same places you used to take her, and your mind spirals. Was I never enough? Did she ever really love me? Am I that easy to forget? Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Choose not to be harmed, and you won't feel harmed." The pain isn't just about her moving on. It's about you losing your sense of identity. But here's the truth. She didn't replace you because you lacked something. She replaced you because she never truly valued you, and that's on her, not you.
Part 2. Female hypergamy and the reality of replacement. Let's be real. Women are biologically wired for survival and security. This is why women tend to replace, not grieve. It's called hypergamy, the instinct to seek out the best possible mate. And when she sees a man losing value, falling into neediness, losing his frame, her instincts take over. Stoicism tells us it is not things that disturb us, but our opinions about them. Epictetus. It's not her moving on that hurts. It's your belief that her love defined your worth. But the truth is, her leaving doesn't decrease your value. It reveals her inability to recognize it. And once you truly understand that, you'll stop grieving and start growing. Part 3. Why replaced men become stronger. Every strong man has a story. A time he was left, rejected, replaced. And that moment became the fuel for his greatest transformation. You want revenge? Don't send texts. Don't post fake smiles. Don't try to make her jealous. Build your body, build your wealth, build your inner peace. When a Stoic man is replaced, he doesn't seek to be loved. Again, he becomes unforgettable. Because the moment you stop chasing validation, you become dangerous. And that danger isn't violence. It's calm. It's control. It's power. Part 4. The power of absence. Let me tell you something they don't teach you. You teach people how to value you through your absence. You don't beg. You don't explain. You disappear. And not out of spite, out of self-respect. When you remove your energy from someone who didn't value it, you shift the power back to yourself. Seneca said, "Sometimes even to live is an act of courage." So stop watching her story, stop checking his profile, stop waiting for a text that's never coming. Instead, become a man they regret letting go. Part 5. Rebuilding the unreactive male. Here's how you begin again. Like a Stoic, like a man. Step 1. Accept reality. She's gone. He took your place. Let it sting. Then let it go. Step 2. Stop the emotional bleeding. No late-night texts, no stalking, no emotional leaks. Silence is your medicine. Step 3. Reclaim your frame. Start working out. Start earning. Start living like a man with purpose. Step 4. Become the man she thought you could never be. Not to win her back, but to win yourself back. Step 5. Never look back. Because the moment you grow beyond who you were, you'll realize you weren't replaced. You outgrew her. Final message. To the man watching this who feels broken, forgotten, unwanted, you are not broken. You are becoming. And when you finally rebuild silently, powerfully, you'll thank her for leaving. Because some chapters have to end, for the warrior to rise. This is what Stoicism is about. not becoming cold, but becoming unshakable.